Hi, my name is Vittoria, I'm from Italy and I've been living in Latvia for 4 years now. Did you know that 75% of job applications are rejected before they even reach a hiring manager because of poorly formatted CVs? In today's competitive job market, having a standout CV is crucial for catching an employer's attention. Without a well-crafted CVs, your chances of landing an interview drop dramatically. The old methods like knocking on doors or handing out CVs in person just don't work anymore. You need a professional, polished CV to get noticed. A professional CV should include key sections such as personal information, a professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. Place the most relevant information up front, with your most recent experiences listed at the top of each section. It's important to keep it concise, just 1 or 2 pages, so that it's easy for employers to read it and digest quickly. Formatting plays a huge role in making sure your CV stands out for the right reasons. Start with a clean, modern font like Arial or Calibri, something easy to read, not too fancy. Use clear headings for each section and break up your information with bullet points to keep it organized and straightforward. You can also take advantage of free templates like Europass or use the latest AI tools to have format and polish your CV. Do not send the same general CV to every employer. Instead, take the time to research the employer and the job role and tailor your CV accordingly. Emphasize the relevant skills and experiences that match the job description. Highlighting languages proficiency can be a big advantage, for example. Use action verbs to describe your accomplishment and quantify them where possible. For example, manage the team of 10 people and improve project delivery time by 15%. Creating a CV without previous job experience can feel challenging, but it's possible. Focus on transferable skills gained from internship, volunteering work, or even academic projects. For example, if you led a group project in school, you could highlight your leadership and teamwork. Highlight any relevant certification or training that relate to the job you're applying. Additionally, emphasize soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Consider including a personal statement or objective that outlines your career goals and enthusiasm for the role. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and showing your potential is key. A cover letter is just as important as your CV. It gives you the chance to introduce yourself, explain why you're interested in the role, and highlight how your skills and experiences make you the perfect fit. Tailor your cover letter to the job, referencing the job position and specific examples from your background that show you meet the requirements. Keep it short, about 1 page, and make sure it complements rather than repeats the information of your CV. This is your chance to show a bit of personality and enthusiasm for the role. Avoid typos and grammatical errors by proofreading and use tools like spell checkers. Getting feedback from a mentor or a friend can be incredibly helpful too. And remember, save both documents as PDFs to preserve the formatting. Additionally, don't hesitate to reach out to community centers or online platforms for free guidance. They're great resourcing for building a professional CV and crafting an effective cover letter. Good luck!